Hey, hello people, it's your girl again, Noella. Today I'll be bringing you a tutorial on how I make custom wine glasses using my CRICUT JOY machine. So let's get creative. To begin this project, you will need the following supplies. You will need your CRICUT cutting machine or any cutting machine you have, your cutting mat, rubbing alcohol to remove any dirt or stain or dust on the glass cup, my transfer tape, glass cups of course, scraper, weeding tool, and I keep calling this the HTV, sorry, vinyl. Today I'll be using 5 different colors of vinyl: burgundy, I think this is black, gold, this color, I think they call this, I keep forgetting this color, they call this aqua turquoise green. Yeah, sorry, yeah, yeah, turquoise green. Yeah, I got it. So this is turquoise green and navy blue, and lastly some paper towels. This is my CRICUT JOY cutting out the design on my HTV. Sorry, I keep calling this thing HTV. Cutting the design on my vinyl. When it's done cutting, we'll get to the fun part. So my CRICUT JOY is done cutting the design. Here's a piece of it. Then I'll take my transfer tape and peel off the backing from my transfer tape, place it on my cutout design. Go. Now this is where we use your scraper. Trying to remove any air bubbles that might be trapped between the transfer tape and my design. So I'm done with that now, and then I'll gently peel. Okay. I'll gently peel the backing away from the vinyl. Now this is where your paper towel and alcohol comes in. Then you always make sure you clean your glass cups or your glassware, whatever you're using, before you place your decal on it, to remove any form of dirt or dust from your glassware. Now that's done, and then you just place your decal. Make sure it's centered. Place your decal gently on the glass from one end to another. Right like that. Then you use your scraper again. So you remove any form of air bubbles and slowly it down. Then I'll pick up my weeding tool and then gently pull the transfer tape away. I hope you guys can see this. Gently pull it away. And there you have it. And you can use this transfer tape as many times as you want. Use this transfer tape for So now this is what it looks like. Now to transfer it to something like this, you have to read your design. So I'm done reading the excess vinyl of my glassware. And here's the gold. My customer ordered for 20 pieces of this and she'll be giving them out as thank you gifts to her customers. I love them because they are inexpensive, they are classy, and they are useful. Everybody drinks wine, so this is a very useful, inexpensive, useful gift. So you can give this out as birthday gifts, wedding gifts, Valentine gifts. Just let your creativity run wild. You know, there are different colors of vinyl in the vinyl market for you to choose from. So just go out there and decide to have fun with it. I'll be making another video on how I pack my custom glasswares and get them ready for delivery. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, please be sure to leave me a comment in the comment section below. I really love to interact with people. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and don't be scared to start something today. No matter how little it is, no matter how small it is, just start. Take baby steps. This is Noella, and have a wonderful day. Bye.